Wearable exoskeletons are advanced robotic devices that are worn on the body to augment, enhance, or restore human movement and physical capabilities. These devices typically consist of a rigid or semi-rigid frame that supports the body and is powered by electric motors, hydraulics, or a combination of both. The exoskeleton works by aligning with the body's natural movements, providing additional strength, stability, and endurance to the user. First, we have active exoskeletons. Powered by motors or hydraulics, these exoskeletons actively assist the wearer in moving and carrying out tasks. They are often used in medical rehabilitation, industrial applications, and by the military. Second, we have passive exoskeletons. These rely on mechanical structures such as springs and counterweights to redistribute the user's body weight and reduce strain. They do not have powered components and are primarily used to prevent injury and reduce fatigue. First, medical rehabilitation. Wearable exoskeletons have revolutionized the rehabilitation of individuals with spinal cord injuries. Devices like the ReWalk and Exobionics allow paraplegics to stand, walk, and even climb stairs. These exoskeletons help restore mobility and improve the quality of life for patients. Exoskeletons are also used in stroke rehabilitation to assist patients in regaining movement in their limbs. They provide repetitive, guided movement, which is crucial for neuroplasticity and recovery. For the elderly or individuals with mobility impairments, exoskeletons offer additional support and stability, reducing the risk of falls and increasing independence. In industries such as manufacturing, construction, and logistics, exoskeletons help workers lift heavy loads, reduce fatigue, and prevent musculoskeletal injuries. Devices like the ExoVest are worn by workers to assist with overhead tasks, reducing the strain on their shoulders and back. Exoskeletons improve ergonomics by providing physical support to workers who perform repetitive tasks, such as lifting or standing for long periods. This can lead to reduced injury rates and improved productivity. The military has been exploring exoskeleton technology to enhance the physical capabilities of soldiers. These exoskeletons can increase strength, endurance, and load carrying capacity, enabling soldiers to carry heavy gear over long distances and challenging terrains. Exoskeletons are also used to reduce the risk of injury during training or combat by providing support during physically demanding activities. Some exoskeletons are designed for athletes to enhance their performance by improving strength, speed, or endurance. These devices can also be used in training to simulate resistance or support recovery from injuries. Despite the many benefits, wearable exoskeletons face several challenges. High costs remain a significant barrier to widespread adoption, particularly in medical and industrial settings. For active exoskeletons, battery life is a critical issue as it limits the duration of use. Ensuring that exoskeletons are comfortable and easy to use is essential for user acceptance. The weight, fit, and noise of the devices are important factors that need continuous improvement. Medical exoskeletons must undergo rigorous testing and receive regulatory approval before they can be used by patients, which can slow down their availability. Looking ahead, advancements in materials, science, robotics, and artificial intelligence are expected to drive the development of more efficient, affordable, and user-friendly exoskeletons. These innovations will likely expand their applications and improve the lives of many more people across different sectors. Thank you for watching this video. I'll catch up with you in another exciting video soon. Until then, goodbye and take care.